The retail industry has changed a lot over the last years, and here we brought together the most innovative solutions in generative AI, digital assets, social commerce, and much more to inspire our partners.
Brands spent the last 10 years accumulating data on their customers. And now, today, they're sitting on an untapped gold mine. And we think that using this data and using generative AI with this data will allow them to personalize each of their messaging on different channels. Imagine, it doesn't make sense today that when you go on the website, you have the same messaging, the same product descriptions, and thanks to this data, the messaging on each website can be personalized. The messaging on each newsletter, each blog post should be personalized, so it will not speak to the same persons and the 1 million persons that are in the same segment than you. It will speak to you as a customer, and it will create a new connection with you.
Every platform, Roblox, Fortnite, today is evolving to a new kind of experience. It's not just games, it's today experience that people are going to play. And it's the biggest impact for people because they are going to maintain a community when they are in their experience. And it's also the new way to talk to this kind of young people, and this evolving every day, because today the community of Roblox is maybe kids with 12 years old to 17 years old. It's like 30%, and at the end they are going to grow, and their capacity of money and they are going to be able to buy more stuff in the future, and they are going to be the future customer of this type of retailer. Talk to an agency, try to create an experience, understand before the platform, because you need to choose the right platform. Today the community is kids, but tomorrow it's going to be brands also, because they need to create this space for them. It's the new website, it's the new e-commerce, and also we already see with the future of Apple creating the spatial computing with their Vision Pro. So everyone needs to already step up and go on this side of the market.
We've been used since 10, 15, 20 years on internet of not owning anything, right? So we spent more and more time digitally, but we're not owning anything. And so what I think blockchain technology enables is really digital ownership, right? What blockchain technology and Web3 enables is the ability for brands and consumers to really own different elements digitally. And so I think this is a very powerful vision, especially for younger generations. It's the ability for not being totally dependent on centralized platforms where today almost everyone spends all of our digital interactions, but being able to have direct connections as a brand, as an organization to your users, to your consumer. So really all the stuff around digital interactions and also digital products that can be linked to physical products, I believe are very promising for brands in general. It will probably take a bit of time to be adopted more broadly, but today, if you address those younger generation that value those very at a high level, I think you're going to already be able to address different types of consumers.